What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
XRP, the longest crypto case or case of any kind in the history of cryptocurrency. This case has been going on for almost 2 years now, and I don't think it's coming to a halt anytime soon. However, there has been some interesting news that's come out. The Hinman victory for SEC is potentially something that could change the tide of the case and set a new precedent. So, Justin, take us away on the updates on the Ripple case.
Yes, so Ripple Hinman victory, is this the turning point? Well, Ripple has achieved a victory against the SEC by successfully opposing the agency's motion to seal the Hinman speech documents. These include internal drafts and emails related to a speech given by the former SEC director, William Hinman, over 4 years ago, a speech that explicitly contradicts the legal basis on which the SEC seeks to prosecute Ripple. Supporters of Ripple say the speech proves that the SEC did not consider ETH a security at the time Hinman made it, and Ripple's lawyers have been trying to uncover more information about Hinman's conclusion as it could impact the classification of XRP. In the recent filing, the SEC attempted to justify the need for confidentiality. The agency claimed that the documents were irrelevant to the summary judgment motions and also argued their disclosure could harm the agency's interests. People active in the crypto industry and legal realm were quick to react. John Deaton, managing partner of the Deaton's law firm, said on Twitter, "It's clear that things said in Hinman emails specifically contradict arguments made by the SEC." And he also added that he doubts that the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, would agree to publicly acknowledge the ongoing and future XRP sales are not securities. The Twitter community celebrated the Ripple Hinman victory. Crypto Twitter largely saw it as a groundbreaking judgment with far-reaching implications, although some were disappointed that the decisions didn't lead to a sudden move in the markets. And I don't think that there's going to be any move in the market until, the whole case gets decided. Although I think this is a big victory. I mean, the former SEC chair said it's not a security, so it's not a security. I think point blank period. I guess things can change from time to time with new people, but I mean, if that's what they were trying to fight against, that's an open and shut case. So hopefully this helps Ripple actually win. But what do you think?
I think that this is all part of it, right? I think that them uncovering this is huge. Obviously, the lawyers kind of know what they're doing. If they can get this to set a precedence, then hopefully it means that XRP won't be or will be labeled as a security or won't be labeled as a security, whichever one is kind of working out into the benefit of the XRP case. I think that this information they've been trying to get uncovered for a while, and I don't think that the defense, the government would actually be fighting it if they didn't think that it was detrimental to the case. That being said, for me, I'm just not interested in XRP or Ripple until this case is solved. And I think I probably make up about 60 or 70% of the other investors that are waiting to get into XRP. I think everybody views it as being potentially bullish, but it also could be going to zero and below if this case doesn't go in the favor of XRP. So keep that in mind when you're investing in anything out here, especially when it's under investigation. I think it's very, very important to understand the risk of what you're getting yourself into. So, those are kind of my thoughts. Jay, what do you got?
I'm right along there with you. I mean, this is probably, I would say, a moment that's going to be pivotal in crypto history, right? Like this is basically what's going to potentially set precedent for a lot of other crypto tokens. So I think it's really important that all the evidence comes out and that the judge gets it right, which is to rule in XRP's favor.
You guys let us know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Come on over to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. Check out myself and Justin as we break down some of these stories. That being said, guys, we will catch you on the next one, man. Peace.